Pizza Time! We are all looking so great today and so ready for our inauguration. Ladies and gentlemen, round of applause for the Executive Vice President for Finance and Admin of Royal Homes Marketing Corporation, Mrs. Maria Melito Martinez-Garcia. 3, 2, 1, go! Alright, a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for Santa Lucia Land and Royal Homes Marketing Corporation. Ladies and gentlemen, we are now about to hear from none other than our most BEA beautiful brand ambassador of Santa Lucia Land Incorporated, Ms. Bea Alonso Tonidas to the toes.
Good morning, everyone. On behalf of Santa Lucia Land Incorporated and Royal Homes Marketing Corporation, we proudly offer this Catalina Lake Sports Clubhouse to our beloved investors here in Catalina Lake Residential Estates. This is our offering to the people of Bawan, Batangas for now and for more generations to come. Cheers!
Everybody, please just grab your global glasses, your water goblets, what have